Hello, this is Lolly, and I have a little project share for you today. I got my last design team kit from AVSC Scrap and Craft, and I will give you links down below. And it was a December kit, and the papers in it were from Bo Bunny called Carousel Christmas. They were very pretty, soft pastel colors, gorgeous, just gorgeous. And I knew I did one project with it, and I'll give you the link down below for that. But I knew that I wanted to make another tin. Yes, I love these tin boxes. I was given several of them from a friend, and I wanted to make a countdown, not a countdown, well, count up maybe, like a Christmas date reminder. So these are the papers from the kit, and I used one on the overall cover, and then I did one striped one this way. I have a little bit of some silver and white baker's twine just glued on there and with little knots on the end. These little trees were in the kit as well, and I painted them a pastel pink and a pastel green to go with the papers. And the ribbon came in the kit too. Love it. So I got this metal hook from Harbor Freight, and it's a really strong one, and I just push it sideways so I can get it up. I have glue all over my fingers. I'm just realizing that. So what I did, and this is a long story, but there was in the kit, there was a 12-inch paper that was a bunch of Christmas ornaments, and each ornament had the day on it, 1, 2, 3. And they were so pretty. And I sat down and I fussy cut all those out, and I put them in what I thought I put them into a little baggie. I'm going to move this because of the glare. I put them into a little baggie, and then I put that baggie in with my papers, only I never did find those little ornaments. I've been so distressed over that because obviously I wanted them for this project. And so I realized that I could take, the second option was there was a paper that was full of these little Santas. And I could just cut them all out, even though it was hard because on the back there was this beautiful carousel horse. It was so gorgeous and I hated cutting into it. But anyway, I fussy cut all these out. I stuck them in my laminator, and I cut around them with a borders to make sure that it was sealed. If you don't have a laminator, you can, from an office supply store, you can get self-sticking laminating sheets. And it's just like a big clear sticker, and you just put it on there. And I would do front and back, and then you can cut right, then you can fussy cut and cut right on the edge instead of having to leave that border. But all in all, it works pretty well. And then I did use a 1 1/4 inch hole punch, circle punch, and I cut out a piece of paper to cover out most of the hook here. So all I have to do, and then I punched holes, I punched holes here. I have several different hole punches, and I figured out which one would work better with this, and it's the larger, the 3/16 on this Crocodile Big Bite. And if you have a big bite and you don't know how to use it, I will give you the link below to my video on how to use that. So all I do is just punch the hole in, and it hangs freely on here. Of course, I'm holding it sideways, but you can see right there, it just hangs there. So that is my little calendar that I could just sit up on a counter like that. And then it stores so easily because I can take this off. Again, pull it to the side. I don't want to tear my paper. I did put one layer of Mod Podge on to help, but to pull it off on the side, and it comes off without tearing the paper. And on number 25, I did put a pearl bead on his hat and a little poinsettia and some little red flat back, like little red pearls. So anyway, that's them. I could decorate more of these if I wanted to, but I want to make sure that the 25th was really decorated like that. So anyway, long project to get this simple thing done because of losing the ornaments that I had cut out. And of course, they still may show up someday, but in the meantime, I will give you links below in this video, and make sure you do check that out. And also stay tuned, and I'll put a few photos after this. Thank you so much for watching.